Today's adventure takes us to South Beach, Oregon. This is just south of the bridge in Newport. And it is a beautiful day, which was unexpected. We thought it was going to be raining all day.
It's supposed to rain. It's like amazing.
What the heck?
Yeah, and this is the South Jetty.
Yes.
And these jetties were built in the late 1800s and forms a channel into Yaquina Bay. And I have never fished off the rocks for like greenling and black bass and lingcod. Never done it. Not real sure how to do it. I watched a YouTube video.
No, he's a professional.
So no, I'm not. So I know there's a lot of rocks and the potential losing a lot of gear, but I think I'm gonna give it a shot today. So
let's take that worm for a walk first.
Worm?
And if he catches, I have stuff to make fish tacos, so that I'm hoping you catch something.
Catch and cook again.
Yeah.
Carry on, catch and cook.
We've been doing a lot of cooking lately.
Catch and cook.
But I mean, we eat every day, so we might as well be sharing with you what's happening, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk the worm and then get you fishing. Fishing time. What are we hoping to catch? All of it?
Well, I'm guessing some maybe black sea bass or greenling would be awesome.
Yeah.
Lingcod might be a little, you can, but
trickier.
Not as common, I guess. Lingcod have to be pretty big. Lingcod have to be, I think, 22 inches to keep.
Oh, do you have your tape measure?
I do.
Okay. Where's a good spot? Do you know?
Nope.
Okay.
But I can see up here where other people have fished.
Yeah.
That seems like a good spot.
Wait, what? So you're saying you didn't catch anything? We had a backup plan. What is it?
Fresh rockfish.
Rockfish.
That's one thing about the Oregon coast. You can always find fresh fish. So.
Yep. So I got the cast iron out. I need to go make tartar sauce.
Cast iron, baby.
Ooh, it's done. It's done. It's taco time.
Okay.
Okay. That looks yum yum. We got tartar. Now the key to the tartar is mincing the onion super fine. That's the trick. And then this is mango, lime, and cilantro. So good. And just plain slaw, so you could dress it up how you want.
Does this look good?
Yeah, looks
How you do it?
amazing.
Smells really good.